Welcome to this brief Xens demonstration. To activate your Xens, press the button on top of the unit. In the General Settings menu, which you can access from the top left corner, you can change user interface configuration and various standard settings. Use the Language submenu to set the Xens user interface to your desired language. In the Interface menu, you can also adjust the sound volume of your Xens, as well as the contrast and brightness of its display. Thank you for watching this brief Xens demonstration.